Hello. Thank you for everyone to listening my presentation about VR. And this is a PowerPoint, just to answer the question about VR. So let's begin. And my name is Li Jiaxi Joyce, and you can call me Joyce, right? And my student number is MEC 241024. So let's begin. And the first question is about what is VR. So I think virtual reality is a technology that puts you into a computer-made world. And when you wear a VR headset, and we can say a lot of interactive faker 3D environment that, but you feel it is real. So the next question is what's VR primary proposal? I have some 4 points with the proposal. The first one I think is entertainment. I think VR is the biggest use in the gaming and fun activities. And like Sony, like in Ting Tong, and it lets people play games and watching movies and in more exciting ways, and making them like they're really inside the action. So I think next one is education and training, and VR helps people learn new skills and safely, like you are throwing, maybe tuber, and for example, the pilot can practice flying, and a doctor can use it learning surgery. So I think another one, third one is the work and business. Yeah, company use the VR for meeting, and we cannot to go to the company and to go to the office, just to have a meeting, and designing products and showing your house. Like if you show your house, it's a very use the VR is a faker, but the buyers can see it really. So without visiting them in person, it saves time and money. And the medical treatment is used VR. Doctor use VR to help patients deal with fear and reduce pains during their treatment, and practice rehabilitation exercise in a fun way. Next question is how does VR differ from other immersive technologies? We know difference between VR and the other technology, and VR is completely different from AR and MR because it puts into a totally virtual world, and you can see and you can't see the real world at all. And we have two significant milestones in history of VR development. And what is impact did they have? First one, I think the first example is Nintendo Virtual Boy in the 1995. So in 1995, Nintendo Virtual Boy just is a field. So, but it's the first attempt to make VR gaming available to consumer. Despite its limitation, yeah, just only shown in red and black colors, but the groundbreaking for being the first proper VR device and helped to show what problem need to be solved in VR gaming. And next one is a PlayStation VR launch, and in the 2016, so Sony made it and brought the VR gaming to millions of PS4 owners because many people already had PS4 console, and they made VR much more accessible and affordable. So I think the gaming consoles and help make VR gaming mainstream. So how is VR applied in one of the following fields? I choose the sports training. So I think VR in the sports training have a lot of benefits. The first one is safe training environment. VR is a revolution sports by allowing athletes to train safely in virtual environments, and it's powerful and light tools for the teams, yeah, for the playing ground, for playing sports. And VR provides a powerful and light tools and letting players and coaches study games from my angle in 3D, and they can enhance the fan experience. So a lot of fans cannot buy airlines and waste a lot of money to go to the sports ground. So if they have this VR glasses, and they can immersive the environment in play gaming. So type of VR displays, I think three types of it. Head-mounted displays. This is a device worn on your head that gives you a fully immersive virtual experience through two screens and a motion sensor. And the other one is the cave system. This is a room and this room is so small, and this room virtual space where modified users wearing 3D glasses can experience virtual worlds and through projections on the wall. So the third one is AR displays. Use see through screens to aid virtual content to the real world, and letting users see and interact with both real and virtual objects. So we just know what is the haptic feedback in VR. So haptic feedback VR is just like feeling, and we know that user feel virtual object in VR. So like touching or real things is worked through VR device that they create vibrations, pressure, or resistance. Why is the haptic feedback is so important? Because it just makes VR more real and immersive by copy real or touch, and it can help user control and handle virtual objects more accurately. So in job training, haptic feedback is important to build correct muscle memory. And this technology lets user not just see and hear, but also feel the virtual world. Feel is very important. So we then talking about what are some critical challenges in developing VR application. I just have two examples for the challenges. VR interaction design must balance user experience and realism, and focus on three issues: intuitive controls, navigation methods, and motion sickness privations. And I think more VR development face real challenges like hardware limits, such as battery life and processing power. So, so sometimes it's the VR development more expensive. It makes the company just spend a lot of costs on it, and they need for the special skills. So I think high cost is the biggest challenge for the VR development. And we understanding about augmented reality. So we're just talking about VR. Now we're just talking about AR. Definition comparison to the VR, I think AR just aids virtual content to the real world and letting users see both real and digital things. Well, VR creates a fully virtual world that blocks out reality. So despite the technology, AR is different. The AR uses see-through displays or front cameras so users can see their surrounding. And applications, AR is very different. AR works well in the daily life, like navigation, education, and shopping. So the VR is not. VR just better for the game training and for the immersive experience. We are talking about interaction with environment. AR is different. AR mainly interacts with real objects and aid virtual information, but VR is not. VR need to create all interaction elements in virtual space. So we just understanding argument reality. We just have what are two examples of AR application in different industry. So I just choose for the healthy industry and selling industry. I think there are different benefit for they provide. And a doctor use AR glasses during surgery, like this picture we can see, and to see the 3D scans, organ locations, and get this information. It help make surgery more accurate and successful, and help medical students learning through practice. It's safe, and it can also waste a lot of lives, right? And customers use the AR apps on phones to see how furniture looks in their home, on training on virtual clothes before buying. Yeah, just you can buy something you never see, but you just use the AR and you can feel in a reality. So this helps make them make better buying choice, reduce returns, and make shopping better. So I have three examples of the AR applications. The first, we have three examples, and the first one is device limitation. I think just the first limitation is the device limitations. Just the phone's battery life, maybe it's short, and processing power and camera accuracy all affect AR experience. So I think camera accuracy is just the more important of a pattern effect of the AR experience. So user have a lot of the challenger for the AR. So if you just holding the phone up for the long time and you feel so tiredness, and you got to feel so tired and you cannot find where are you. So in the small screens, limited AR content display and interaction area. So I think it's not satisfy all of the person, like the older person, the small child. It's not satisfied for the AR applications. So maybe this is a big challenge we need to change. And the next one is development cost. We know AR sometimes use a high technology, and we need to cost a lot of cost a lot of money and spend a lot of time and to make a AR. So making good AR apps costs a lot of money and time, and I need a regular update for a new phone models. So final one, we just talking about popular AR headsets. According to this picture, I just introduce about the two glass. The first one is Huawei. Huawei is a very famous company in our China, and Huawei's glass is named Huawei VR glass. And the other one is Apple Vision. Apple is the famous of the world's companies, and a lot of the new technologies are made by this Apple. So I think Huawei and Apple maybe is a very famous aspect in this AR headset. So I will introduce the Huawei VR glasses. Huawei glasses is very small and very light glasses. Its most unique feature are its ultra light design, only about 188 gram. So I think it's so thin, so slimes. And foldable structure, it's not very easy, convenient, and to bring anywhere, and making it portable as regular glasses. Another feature, and it's a high definition 3D IMAX screen experience with controller. Give user a cinema-like experience on a portable device. So I think this is a very simple and very lovely glasses. And the other one is Apple Vision. Apple Vision is very big, it's very the biggest, so its most unique feature is the eye and gesture tracking system. Yeah, we can call them the eye tracking and pinching control. Where users can control things by looking at them and pinching their fingers. And it also the highest quality micro OLED displays, and making virtual content look very clear and natural. So Apple Vision, I think this technology is more than good for the Huawei VR glasses. You can immersive in the 3Ds and feel so reality. But Huawei is best for the you can easy to bring it anywhere. So I think different, but maybe they have their benefits. So thank you for you listening my presentation. Thank you. Time to say goodbye. Bye bye.